Apple have released the brand new MacBook Pro 2018. And I've got my greedy mitts on it. So, let's do an unboxing of this fabulous new laptop. This is exactly what you can expect to see if you go out and buy one of these, but don't worry, that's why I'm doing it, so you don't have to. I know, I'm doing the world a favour. Planet Mark is doing you a favour. Okay, so let's awkwardly try and open this. Probably need a knife or longer nails. Probably shouldn't chew my nails. But anyway, so how am I supposed to open this?
How long does it take Mark to open a laptop? I got my laptop in February 2012.
Oh, he's got it.
Like, it's so old. And that's the thing about Macs, like, they last. Like, I love them so much because, I mean, most people don't have a car that lasts like 7 years. I had a laptop that lasted 7 years. I'm quite impressed by that, really.
Oh.
Right, flat, don't break it.
Right.
It's my new toy.
Flat. Here we go, the grand opening, everyone. You've got this in shot?
Yeah, it's in shot. They changed the box. Oh, they have.
It's more like a phone box now. It's like a
laptop one.
Yeah. So it feels more like an iPhone. It's probably next. It'll just be it'll just be like a big slab, like a bigger iPad. Here we go, Scott. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hallelujah!
Look at it. This is how great a Wi-Fi I am. I'm letting Mark unbox my laptop.
Oh no! Whoa. So smooth. Let's see. Oh, it's got a little flat thing. Oh, there you go. And you put. Oh my god! It's so thin as well. It's thin. We'll get to the other stuff in a minute. Let's just have a quick look at the actual laptop. I will.
It's the space grey version. Careful, do not scratch it. I will cry. Don't scratch it, don't drop it.
I'm not going to scratch or drop it.
I will so cry.
Oh my god. Just so I'll turn it around. There you go, there's the Mac. Just the Apple.
You've got a little smudge on. I'm going to stop. Right.
Why?
Because you've got a smudge on it and I'm getting all...
Don't.
Pretty, don't drop.
Here we go, I'm going to open
It's
it up.
super tiny.
See, no CD drive.
Should I go get the other
Go
iPad?
get the other one. Listen.
Well, let's compare them. Like,
Look at it, la da 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 da.
it's starting. Oh man, it's just turning on. There's no power button on them.
Oh, it's just turning on.
They just turn on when you open them.
That's so weird. And like, just I've not really had a proper play around with these, but just like the 2018 model, the one we've got here. Oh, the touch, just the first thought, it's the little mouse pad thingy, trackpad thing.
English as the main language. Press the return key.
No, it's talking to me. It's talking to me for some odd reason. Either just so this had. So let me just get this right. This had battery the entire time it was in that box. And it was just on standby. That's so odd.
Apple do that. They well, no, it would have been turned off. But they make sure that every time you get a product, it has half battery.
Yeah.
You've still got the foam over the screen.
Alright. Didn't want to take it off, but what you saying? The screen feels a lot thinner as well. The keyboard is probably the most noticeable.
This is like crashed in true.
So you have to speak. You have to. We're gonna have to try how to learn Japanese now.
Or you can just choose English. But look at it next to this is
touch bar as well.
my
No.
old laptop.
Let's have a comparison. Right.
Can we say that now? It's an old laptop. Look at it.
Yep, stop in a minute.
They're both 13 inches.
Look at the screens.
They're both.
Just
look at
just
that.
thinking about it. Try and get a side view of it, like so turn both of them on the side. Oh, just so you know, this is what you can see. Like, look at the kind of depth, the difference between the depth.
Just look at that.
And the screen as well. From the screen, everything is so small.
I just can't get over, like, I guess most people don't upgrade. Maybe they do, but it just feels like such a huge jump from 2011 2018.
Oh.
Like a massive jump.
So that you can, that's the thing. I suppose that's gonna like be the biggest thing. The keyboard, because these are such massive.
Main language. Press the return key.
Okay, that's such massive like indents on the keyboard here, and like obviously the power button. And then now there's just, it's just bare. It's like you're barely touching anything. It's like you feel like, did I touch the key or not? Let's have a look at the weight. Let's have a feel of the weight. Shall we go for this first? Go for the big one first, right? Also, this one hasn't got any.
It's
legs.
got no feet. Like literally, that
Desperately,
laptop, like the feet melted off.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to
So I'm
use
just trying to
VoiceOver,
feel
press
for
the
the.
command key while you
Turn that
press
off. In terms of weight, it's not that much difference at all. In terms of weight, 2018 model, it's not that much different.
Do you think?
No, I don't think it's like it. I think you try to think.
Sorry.
Psychologically, you think that it's lighter, but I don't think it is. If it is, it's not as noticeable. Considering the difference, I think that this is
It's
obviously.
just less bulky. You're right. It's not.
It's not really any. Maybe there's a slight difference in weight, but really not anything noticeable that you're going to notice when you pick one of these up. If you're lugging it around, that's the only reason you shouldn't really be, juggling.
Oh, I don't know.
laptops.
It definitely does feel a lot lighter when I just picked it up there.
Just when I was picking it up, it doesn't. For me, it's not that noticeable. In a sense, you're not gonna be. It's not gonna feel like a MacBook Air, where it's like almost gets like a feather. Yeah. So I suppose.
I mean, it is quite heavy,
Yeah.
but it sits
It's more condensed.
far comfortably.
Yeah.
It's smaller. I didn't realise how much smaller it would be actually.
Yeah. Okay, let's look at the ports.
Oh, hang on. I'm just trying to log onto the Wi-Fi first.
Log into the Wi-Fi. Don't do that now.
What was asking me to? Okay, go.
So we can do performance in a minute. But yeah, so like I said, that's what it should look. That's what it looks like. So that's like actually like looking at it. The difference is.
But yeah, it doesn't have like.
Actually, whilst you're logging to the you log into the Wi-Fi, and I will have a look at what's in the rest of this box. So what else can you expect from what's in the box? Move away the other one. So we've got the phone thing. What should I get earlier?
It's got.
We have.
It's all different, isn't it? It's got a different
Yeah.
charger and a different everything.
Oh, this.
Not just its standard. This is your booklet on. There'll be the Apple stickers in there. We have like a collection of Apple stickers and we never have any idea what to do with them. Like, what do
Yeah,
you
it's
do
just
with your
stupid
Apple stickers? Like,
Yeah, comment below, guys. Like, what do you do with your Apple stickers? Or also tell us whether you're excited, whether you'll be getting one of these. What do you think, man? Just
I
any of
used to be an Apple Care advisor as well, and they gave us a T-shirt, and in the box there was golden Apple stickers. So I actually was given a golden Apple sticker by Apple. I still have those golden Apple stickers.
It's got that new wire smell.
That's weird.
It's weird, yeah. It wasn't as weird.
Do they
Yeah,
not
it's
have the long
It's
wire?
HDMI.
No, they're like, you know, the USB-C. Because they only have USB-C ports.
No idea what that means.
You know, Apple made the new port.
Yeah, but what can you use that for?
What do you mean?
What can you use this for?
Well, that's the charging cable.
Really?
Oh.
You sure?
Mhm.
Okay, here's the little plug thing.
Yeah, it doesn't have a long one. I mean,
Well, what am I gonna do? Yeah, I've got to it yet. Oh no. And here we go. Here's the this thing. Maybe.
yeah,
Let's put it all together. You still logging in?
just
Oh, so yeah. So they don't have the. Do they? I thought the good thing about Apple's old chargers was that they were magnetic, and that was a good thing about them.
yeah. So if you kick them, like
They
I
wouldn't
did
really
on a
worry.
regular basis.
Because most of that is a piece of junk. But
Oh yeah, I mean that laptop was a piece of junk. I mean it was totally fine for a while. That's not where it goes.
I just don't stick anything in any hole.
So here, you need to put the plug in that hole. This isn't your first Mac. You should know this.
I'm not used. Yeah, but I haven't opened one in like 10 years, so.
10?
7 years. Says 7 years then.
Yours is newer than that. You got yours in like 2014. It's like 4 years ago. Do you want me to do it before you break it? Taking all the plastic off first.
I'll take the plastic first. Look into Wi-Fi, yeah?
I don't know if it's set up. It's
Huh?
asking me to set up my Touch ID. This has Touch ID. Look at this.
Why don't you walk that through? Why don't you say that?
I wasn't going to do most of it. I wasn't going to show my password. Let's do
Okay,
the
no,
Touch
okay,
ID.
no, I got it.
Right.
So you plug it into here. There we go.
Look, it's got Touch ID.
This is the charger, which you like. It's very different from the old charger. I can't really bother to get the old charger, but you should know what the old charger looked like. Annoyingly, it's a lot smaller. That's what I'll say. I'm not going to go into too much, but I suppose
We've got a spare long bit of the plug though.
Yeah, we
from
do. So we could
the
plug it.
broken one.
I'm going to plug it in next to Alexa, and then you can plug it in and show the camera what. Ooh, oh my god! Came out like just as I was plugging it in. It came out. So you got.
Can you see a difference in that? Oh, the camera's not really picking it up. It's asking the difference. Ah, that's without True Tone. Oh no, I like True Tone. But there's now 4 slots that it can go into. So it can charge in any of the 4 slots, which I kind of like. Yeah?
Yeah. Well, although I don't give you any like kind of instructions or anything like that, because people with Macs, you should know what you're doing. Yeah.
Just look at it, it's so sheeny shiny. Don't know what to click on first.
To show how like quick it is.
Okay, let's open.
Let's do a few
What
tests.
normally takes a while to open, Pages takes forever. Let's open Pages. That was quick. It hasn't crashed or anything. Oh my god.
Actually no, open Logic, because Logic takes ages as well. Count how long it takes. Actually no, it wouldn't know. Would it? iMovie, sorry.
So what?
Do iMovie.
It's got GarageBand.
What?
It does have like, it's got Final Cut Pro.
No way!
Yeah.
Open Final Cut, see how quick it takes. So you can now tell that all of our videos are going to be so much better quality, guys.
Look at this. What's new in Final Cut Pro? I don't know because I've never used it before.
At this point.
New editing software, guys. Should we edit this video in it?
Yeah, so this video.
Okay, this video is going to be a test of what Logic Pro can do.
Final Cut Pro, but yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, Mark uses Logic for all of his music.
Yeah, I do.
That loaded so fast. Also, how do we... This doesn't have an SD card slot.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
How are we gonna upload the videos then?
Well, I mean, there's ways around that.
Yeah.
Well, we do have a few other computers. Not a huge deal, but we may need to get an adapter.
Yeah. That is a bit annoying.
Disk drive.
That is kind of a bit annoying that the old laptop, this one had everything in it,
Yeah.
all like CD drives and everything, and that wasn't really. They should have kind of put something in, like to kind of adapt everything or have some kind
Well,
of.
they
smart-
have. We've got that CD drive over there that just
So have
actually
a-
wouldn't even work on this laptop because it's USB.
Exactly, so it doesn't have anything.
But like we have that CD drive for the reason of, well, we don't put them in them, but you can buy an external one. Not that that CD drive ever gets used.
No, not that one.
Like, yeah.
So that's our kind of like looking it up. That's our review and our big unboxing of the brand new 2018 model of the Apple MacBook Pro. Have you enjoyed this video? So like, hope you've learned something. So if you have, then make sure you subscribe to Planet Mark and hit our bell notification to be told of the next great upload. Join us on Twitter at PlanetMarkVlog or Facebook.com/PlanetMarkVlog or Instagram at Disney.Dreamer_UK. Check out loads of other like really great fun and bit random videos as well. And like this video and share it around. See you next one, guys. Bye 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 bye.